All right, so we have this equation 4 to the 5x minus 4 equals 42. Well, if I could write 42 as base with a base of 4, this would be rather easy, right? Like if this was 16 instead of 42, I could say 4 to the 5x minus 4 equals 4 squared. So obviously 5x minus 4 equals 2, and I could solve it that way. The problem comes in because we can't write 42 as a base of 4. 4 to some power does not equal 42. So the only way to really go about solving this is to convert to the logarithmic form. So whenever you have an equation with the unknown in the exponent, chances are you're going to have to convert to get it out. So if I have an equation like this, a to the x equals y, I can convert that to x equals log base a of y. So I'm here, I'm going to convert it to this form. So this becomes 5x minus 4 equals log base 4 of 42. Now, this will be a relatively straightforward problem once I figure out what log base 4 of 42 is. Depending on which kind of calculator you have, you can either do it directly in the calculator using the log base button. So if I hit math and scroll up, the very second from the bottom option is log base, and I can enter the values directly, and I get that. If you don't have a log base button, what you can do is use the change of base formula, which says that any log divided by the log with the same base is equal to the, well, you can find any log by just, let me just write it for you. It's easier to write than to actually explain. So if I'm trying to find log base a of y, I can write this as log of y over log of a. And remember, when I don't write the log, it's implied that this is the common log, which is base 10. I could also write this as the ln of y over the ln of a. So you can either put this into your calculator directly, or you could say, all right, log of 42 divided by log of 4. And you'll see I get the exact same number. So whichever way you want to do it or have to do it, just get it done. And you have 5x minus 4 equals 2.6962. 5x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides. So I have 5x equals 6.6962. And lastly is to divide both sides by 5. And I get x equals, let me catch up in the calculator, plus 4. Divide both sides by 5, and I get 1.3392.